It's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Few monikers are as synonymous with luxury and quality as Mercedes-Benz, and nothing embodies it quite like this S-Class. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, auto dimming mirrors, and twin turbo V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book reports displacement has been upped, which should further improve what was already stunning off-the-line acceleration. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,